Oh my word! And Ian Laws has been making a nuisance of himself. Oh no, what a hit there! What a hit! That's unbelievable! Madgwick following Gary Morrill all the way in, through and out the other side. He's gone into another dimension. That was a hearse, and it's been well and truly buried. What an astonishing crash there. The front of the car is no more, and what an amazing attack by Madgwick on Morrill, the two Gazzers having the crash of the day. And the marshal straight in, obviously a red flag situation. And what an amazing moment there, an horrific moment too, because if the front of the car is now in where the passenger seat and the driver's seat is, where is the driver? That's why the marshals are in so quickly, and they're looking now to see what the situation is for 272 Gary Morrill, who's just been involved in one of those crashes that you are going to see again and again and again, and let's hope that he's okay.